In this video, we're going to be comparing Softr to Webflow. What is Softr? Softr is a platform where you can create powerful websites, web apps, and client portals with Airtable in 10 minutes. What is Webflow? Webflow is a platform where you can create immersive web experiences, websites, and anything dealing with the modern web with this platform. Why would I choose Softr or Webflow? Depends on the exact functionality in the project that I'm looking for, but Softr is really good with its templates, and if I'm trying to create a minimal viable product, an MVP, their templates are top notch. If I'm trying to create a marketplace, if I'm trying to create a job board, online courses, all of these different aspects, I can create this in a few minutes, all with these wonderful templates, and then it integrates with your Airtable account, and you can use that as the database and that part of that back end. If I'm looking at Webflow, I would use this platform if I am a designer or ones that are looking to have a very specific vision or control over the visual aspect of my website or web experience. Webflow would be perfect. The workflow is very similar to using things like Photoshop and others. So ones that are used to using Photoshop or just designing things, they can use this platform a lot easier or be able to adopt the workflow of using Webflow. Let's take a look at what Softr provides on the back end. If I'm signing up and I'm looking in one of my projects, I have on the left-hand side, I can create pages very quickly. I have access to the different blocks. So if I'm trying to create different sections of the website, I can drag and drop or just click on it, add it to my website, add it to my project very easily. Not only that, I like how I can look at the different views. And again, I can move very quickly with my ideas. Even if I'm using other no-code platforms like Bubble or other things, I can use this as the landing page to test, see what people are saying, and then if I'm going to redirect them to use the app or do something else, I can still use those other platforms. But I have seen a lot of success with Softr with all different types of projects. If I'm saying add a new application, I can have web apps that are right here, or I can have websites. Depending on my needs or the exact project I'm working on, I like how it's very easy for me to get started. I can preview it and go from there. With Webflow, when I'm entering a project and I'm in here, if I'm looking at a lot of the different features or how I'm going to be using it, I like how detailed I can be. If I'm adding different elements, different blocks, I get that control over that kind of project. Also, too, if I'm going back to my dashboard in Webflow and I'm deciding to look at different ideas or I'm trying to get inspiration, I really do like the showcase for me to see what's possible with Webflow. And that allows me to have inspiration and see the wide variety of how people are using Webflow. It's not just a website builder. There's so many different web experiences that I can be using Webflow for. What would I use, Softr or Webflow? This comes down to the exact functionality and what you're looking to do with your product, with your app, all of those different things. I would write down on a piece of paper, what is the experience? What am I trying to have my users accomplish? What does success look like? And that helps you pick the right platform that allows you to scale with your idea or your business. In the comment section down below, if you're still on the fence and you're thinking about, I don't know which one I should go with, or if you just want to explain your idea, feel free to put it in the comment section down below. Let me know if you've used any of these platforms or you're brand new to this. I'll see you in the next video.